What is up, everybody? Anthony here. So I was thinking about Mercari, and if you don't know what Mercari is, it's just another online platform like eBay where you can sell things, and it's pretty much just run off of a smartphone app. Now, in the last couple years that I've been a member of Mercari, I think I've only used it twice. Both times I sold the item that I was listing, so I don't really have any good reason for not using it more. And when I was thinking about it, I realized that I think it's actually a pretty good platform for a couple reasons. First of all, it's super easy to use. Listing items on there, I would say, is a lot easier than eBay, or I mean definitely Amazon, but it's even easier than eBay. So I mean, especially for people that are just starting out in reselling, if you're just trying to get your feet wet a little bit, it's a really easy platform to learn. And then also they take a lot of the guesswork out of the shipping. If I remember correctly, they just kind of give you a couple different weight classes, like a range of weights, and it's the same price, anything within that range. And then also, when something sells on there, they just charge you a flat 10%, which comes out before you ever even see your money. Now, what I don't like is they hold your money until the transaction is deemed successful, which in my experience both times just happened the day that it was delivered to the customer. So I mean, if I'm shipping something priority, it's there within 3 days, so I get my money within 3 days. And then it has to be transferred to your bank account. But I mean, like, one of the nice things about eBay and PayPal is once you're established, you get your money right away, usually. But with Mercari, you do have to wait a bit, so that's kind of a downer. But, I mean, it's really not that big of a deal. Now, I mentioned that it's good for new resellers, but honestly, if you think about it, even for experienced resellers that have a good eBay presence, that have a good Amazon presence, it definitely doesn't hurt to have one more platform at your disposal. I mean, honestly, once you start taking this pretty seriously, the more platforms that you can responsibly and efficiently list and sell on, I would say the better. It definitely doesn't hurt to spread your eggs over many baskets. So what I thought we would do is actually go in and take a look at the Mercari app and just see how easy it is to list an item on there. Like I said, I've only done it twice in a couple years, and it's probably been a year since I've done it, but if I remember correctly, it's super easy, so we'll give it a shot. So I was looking around and I grabbed these old Polaroid film packs. Now, of course, these are expired because I'm not even sure if Polaroid makes them anymore, but people still buy them this way, and you can sell them on Amazon, but it's just a weird gray area that I don't want to walk into. So I mean, we're going to give it a shot and just see what happens. But the point of this is to really just see how easy the Mercari app is to navigate. So I'm going to share my phone screen with you so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So obviously the first thing that you want to do is go in and create your account. I'm sure everyone can figure that out okay. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is go in and actually look at the sales history of our item. So we're going to look up Polaroid 779, and as you can see, there's plenty that are sold. You can tell by the little sold icons here in the top right corner of each picture. And it doesn't look like there's any available right now. But as far as the ones that we have, here's one that sold for $6 plus shipping. Here's one that sold for a 2-pack for $22 plus shipping. And then one $6 plus shipping, a 1-pack for $9 plus shipping. So I'm going to probably try for about $25 plus shipping. Alright, so now that we have our price, we actually want to go in and create our listing. So down here at the very bottom where it says sell, we're going to click on that. And that's going to bring up our camera icon to where we can take a picture. So I'm going to switch over here to my camera taking area, and then we'll just snap a couple quick shots of these film packs, and then we'll go from there. So I'm not sure how good this point of view footage is going to be or how good the audio is, but basically here's my picture taking area, and I just use this IKEA screen. And when I needed to take a picture of something to sell, I just kind of open it out like this so I have a white background. So the first thing that we're going to do is just lay this out flat, and we're going to take an overview shot of it. Okay, and then it asks if we want to retake that picture or if that's what we want to sell. So yes, we want to sell that, but we're going to add a few more pictures too. So I'm going to flip them over here. Now these are all unopened, but like I said, they are expired, which I will mention in the listing. Most people are going to know that are looking for these. We're definitely still going to mention it, but we're going to try anyway. And then we're able to add one more, so why not? Let's just use them all. Okay, so we got our photos now. And I see now that you can add more pictures, but I think for something like this, since they're all unopened, that 4 is enough pictures. So now if you come down here, it asks us what we are selling. So we're just going to put the title in. It is Polaroid 779 Instant Film Pack. And then we're going to say 3 sets with an expiration date of 10/07. And I'm going to add the word lot over here too. So we got a lot of Polaroid 779 instant film pack, 3 sets, expiration 10 of '07. So then we have our description. So I'm going to type 3 sets of genuine Polaroid 779 film, expiration dates of 10/2007. Boxes are unopened and unused. New, old stock. And then on eBay, I always like to add that I ship quickly and safely, so I'll go ahead and add that too. I ship quickly and safely. Feel free to ask any questions. Okay, and add up to 3 tags. So we'll use Polaroid, we'll use vintage cameras. I don't really know what good these tags do, but I'm sure there's some algorithm that it helps with. And then maybe instant camera. And categories. I think on the listings that we checked earlier, everyone was using the category film and Polaroid cameras. So that seems to be the one that's having some success, so that's what we'll use. And then the brand, obviously, is Polaroid. Right there, so we just select it. So now we choose the condition. You could go new, I guess, but I'm going to go like new just because they are expired. Just in case someone's not reading very well. Color I don't think really matters. It's auto selected as red, but I guess the boxes are red and blue, so either's probably fine. And then ship from the zip code, good. Okay, now we can offer free shipping or not offer free shipping. Something like this I would normally say to offer free shipping, but the fact that this will be the only current listing of these on Mercari, I'm going to say no. So then we have to put in the weight. So these are going to weigh under a pound, and you know, we could check it for sure, but these are basically the weight classes that you can ship through. So we got 0 to a quarter pound, a quarter to a half pound to 1 pound, 1 to 3, 3 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40, and so these will all be the same price within these weight classes. So this will be under a pound. So I'm going to click on that one. So it looks like the buyer is going to be charged $5.25 for USPS priority shipping, which I think is fine. So we're going to save that. And then so the price on this, since we are charging for shipping, I'm going to say 3 packs for $25. Now I paid 2 a piece, so after my 10% listing fee, if and when it sells, that'll be $22.50 minus the $6 buy-in cost. So not a bad little return, because as you can see, this isn't taking very long at all. Okay, now this is something that I don't remember in the past. Looks like, okay, so you can enable smart pricing, which will set a floor, and they'll gradually adjust your price based on the demand. I'll go ahead and turn that off. I can probably always turn it back on later. It says here, after our 10% fee, we'll get $22.50 in proceeds. Okay, so then we just go here to list. Our item is now for sale. So, I mean, that was super easy. I mean, selling on eBay isn't exactly hard, but there is a bigger learning curve, I think. So I can't show you exactly how to ship something, but I will say that over the next couple weeks, I'm probably going to try to build up my Mercari presence a little bit, and as soon as something does sell on here, I will make a video showing you how to ship. You know, that could be tomorrow, that could be in a couple weeks, I don't know, but I'm going to try to keep adding stuff, and as soon as something sells, I'll get back with you on it. But I mean, like I said, that was super easy to list. So if you are just starting out, definitely check out Mercari, because I don't think there's a platform that's easier than that. Alright, so that'll do it for now, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. As always, make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave your comments down below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye.